It's interesting. Um, for a lot of things like what hosting providers and stuff that are good, I rely on our qualified contractors because they're the ones who are really experienced at implementation or implementing sites using MemberMouse. I mean, we build the software, but so our daily life revolves around improving the software itself, but the qualified contractor's daily life revolves around actually implementing our software in the wild. So I always, I have a few, three or four who have built a number of sites for our customers and also for competitors. And they just generally, they're contractors, so they do work for everybody and they use different tools. So I like to keep tabs with them and hear what they're using and what tools they like. And I hear a lot of good things about Kingsta. I hear good things about WP Engine from two of our top qualified contractors. Um, so those are kind of the ones that seem to be top top choices right now. Um, you know, and I think with you know, it depends on where you're at. SiteGround. Sometimes pricing is the choice point, which could be fine place to start. Like we were talking earlier about migration, so you may start on a small hosting provider just to, save some money, but ultimately, you know, paying the extra money to have um, a hosted solution where they give you good support and you're not just a VPS, virtual private server, running alongside a bunch of other people. You want that dependability, especially as your business starts to gain traction. It just becomes a necessity of the business. But of course, you don't have to, you know, necessarily make that commitment up front. You can allow your business to grow organically to a point where it then requires you to move to more powerful hosting. That was essentially our journey at MemberMouse. I mean, we started on something small, and then as we needed to, we changed to a fully managed hosting provider, and now we basically built our own cloud infrastructure on Google Cloud to support our business. So, but it would have been overkill for us to have done that in the beginning. Maybe, but that was just our journey. But you have to look at that stuff.